Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Shobtik and you're watching ytsoupart. So I'm back after I guess one video where there was no voiceover. The previous one where I did my first unboxing of something in this channel. So if you have not liked it, then I'm really sorry, but it was just something that I wanted to share with you because I would like to draw a lot now on the iPad. So this is the first drawing that I have tried on the iPad, most importantly on Procreate, the application, and this is phenomenal. The app can do everything, like anything and everything, I would say. So the first thing that I tried here is something that is coming up, something that is very important to all of us, at least everyone around the world who knows it. This is Diwali coming up the next week, so I thought of drawing something kind of an illustration on Diwali, and this is what I came up with first, with an idea. Now what it helps, how the iPad has like made a different kind of a change. If someone asks me, if anyone has this question in their mind, then from paper to the iPad to this app Procreate, what it has changed is that I can now brainstorm a bit more. So the creative ideas can come up much more, and I will not have to think about erasing the stuff and wasting much amount of time. So I can do layers of it. If I do not like the first layer, I can remove it. If I do not like the another layer, I can just keep it hidden. So this brings in a sense of, it's like you don't need to think too much about what you're drawing. You just need to draw. So whether it will be good or bad, you don't need to think about it. So it's not the paper, it's not a canvas, so it is not going to be waste. So that's very important, and that has been a seriously very positive change in this process of drawing that I have done. And most importantly, this will enhance the way I do t-shirt printing and every other things for different clients and everyone. If you have not visited the Fiverr channel that I have, Fiverr page that I have, then you can visit it, and if you want, you can order from there. So this will help me again to draw logos for even YouTube channels. If someone is interested in, it will be easy to draw portraits now digitally. So these things are really very helpful, and iPad has made it a real good change, I would say, even though I'm just learning. I'm still on the learning curve. So again, this might not look professional enough, so I'm really sorry for that. It is just the first drawing that I wanted to share over the video, so I went for it. But even if you guys are thinking that once the iPad is here I will not be drawing the traditional ones, then no, I'm really sorry, you're wrong this time, because I will be, because I love drawing on the paper. I love drawing with pencils, markers, and fine liners and everything of that sort. So even watercolors or gouache, everything. So I would keep on drawing that, doing that. I mean, so drawing is the most important thing that we will have in this channel, and the constant thing that I have is your support. So I would love to know what you feel about this iPad drawing, or whether you do not like it, or even if you like it, what are the things that you like, and are you aware of things that you can do with an iPad, or what is your experience if you have an iPad, or if you want to have an iPad, then what is the thing, what are the things that you want to draw? Because predominantly there are the viewers, the subscribers that I have are interested in art, or they're artists themselves. So I would love to know from an artist's perspective that what exactly do you feel an iPad brings in to the table. So that's very important. And for this drawing, I would like to mention that I have not thought of anything in particular, but even though I searched for some photographs of Diwali and how I might draw it, so I saw one photograph. I've taken reference from it, but it is not a direct copy of it. So this, I'm not sure exactly which photograph that I saw, but it was from the Google images that I found out. No, it is not a direct straight cut copy of it, but still some inspirations. That's why I had to mention it. I did. So what here is in my thoughts is that two family members can be two brothers or a father and a son, and that's on your liking of thoughts. Uh, they are looking at the sky, and the sky is filled up with crackers. So the full sketch is present in my Instagram. If you have not yet followed me on Instagram, you guys can follow me. That is the ytsoupart is my Instagram account, and everything that I have here, in fact more, I have it on Instagram. So I would try to come live on Instagram too. If you have questions there, you can post it, you can ping me. I have been able to reply a lot of people throughout October, and there have been good connections of mine, and there are many art lovers with whom I had a chat or two. So it's a nice platform to talk to. If you guys have not followed me on Instagram, I would repeat that you guys can follow me there, and the links to Facebook page and Instagram account is present in the description section. If you check the description section, you will find all the details there. So it's ytsoupart. Basically, you can search around the different platforms, and I am almost present in most of them, most of the known ones. Coming back to the drawing, so it was difficult for me in the first attempt, I would say, because how to undo things, how to smudge things, I was not too sure about a lot of stuff. As you can see here, there are many people who are experts in Procreate, and not only Procreate, they are experts in multiple different drawing applications, and have been drawing much longer and from a very longer time than me on an iPad. So you guys would realize that I have just been a beginner, and being a beginner, I did not have much to lose. I had nowhere to go. Like, this is the very beginning, this is the first step. So from here, I just go beyond. So that's why I did not have a second thought, and I went ahead with the drawing that I had in my mind, and it was quite surprising that I could achieve what I wanted to. So what you can see here is, firstly, if you have not seen the previous video, that is an unboxing of iPad, then you should go back and watch it. This is the iPad 7th generation that I actually got an offer, and this is the first generation Apple Pencil that needs to be charged in a very silly manner. I don't know why they had put it up in that way, even though they provide a separate charging plug-in, but that also you can miss it. So mostly people, even I do it, I use it in that odd sense, like sticking it up down the iPad. So that's how it gets charged, but it helps the work done. So I have not seen such a good stylus. I have been using few other drawing tablets in particular, but this stylus, I think, would be the best. This has got such good amount of pressure sensibility that I cannot explain it in words. So that really helps, I would say, because it gives you that feel of drawing on the paper, drawing with a pen, with a real pen, because the harder you press on the pen, the pencil that is here, the Apple Pencil, the harder you press, the more the liquid flows, that is the ink, it flows harder. So that's a different experience, I would say. Anyone who has got an iPad and who knows this experience, I would love to see your comments. So keep commenting down below what you think about my words, my experience, and if you relate with it, then you guys need to hit the like button. If you have liked the sketch that I have done, then please hit the like button, and please watch it till the end. And before you finish watching this sketch, I would say there are multiple playlists that I have on my channel, so you can go there. if you're interested in art, or you are thinking of being an artist, or trying to draw portraits, sceneries, illustrations, or trying to have some kind of a creative idea about drawing something, then you guys have a lot of videos to consume. You can just finish this video and then go to the playlist, and you would be able to see a lot of videos. So I hope that you guys would watch a lot other videos, and I would love to see all the comments on different other videos. That will really be very encouraging. You guys have been phenomenal. As I said, 2020 definitely has not been a great year for any one of us in the world, but as far as YouTube is concerned, as far as your support is concerned, I would say you guys have been amazing. As I always miss out on words, adjectives, obviously, because you guys have been so supportive that even now I do not have anything other than amazing, awesome, phenomenal, or similar. So just add the adjectives, but you guys have been great. So thank you guys. Thanks for commenting. Keep commenting, and please share this video if you guys liked it. If you are enjoying Diwali, or you are thinking of doing it, then please share it with your friends and family. I would love to reach out to more people. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then please consider subscribing. I would bring more videos almost every week, like almost every day I would try to do it, but at least I would bring 2 to 3 videos per week. That is what the target is, and because I want to keep the quality at the highest level. So this is the first try. I would love to know what you think about the shading and the lightings and everything. The final sketch, that, as I said, is on Instagram. You can watch it, and there also you can comment. I would love to know your comments. For the rest part of the video, I will put you up with the music. You can enjoy it, and please do not forget to comment. I would love to read your comments. I have always read all the comments. So see you in the next video. Till then, have a nice time, and happy Diwali in pretty lot advanced, right? Happy Diwali, guys. Bye.